right, my business name is Blessed Sonic Global Ventures. We deal in electrical and electronics. We sell so many varieties of stuffs like fans, ceiling fans, standing fans, rechargeable fans, and also electrical like bulbs, extensions, and so on.
All right, sir. I would like us to have a view of these items that you sell. But before we do that, kindly tell us how you do this business. Are you a wholesaler or you sell mainly retail items?
Yeah. We're into wholesales and also retail. It depends on how the person wants it. Also do way bigs to customer.
Outside Lagos.
Yeah, outside Lagos, even the ones inside Lagos as well.
Okay.
You know,
Okay. Someone in Lagos can, call you to get an item and you deliver it to the person through a dispatch rider.
within Lagos, yeah, but outside Lagos, they normally goes with truck.
Okay.
Before then, the person has to like call, to ask whatever he wants. After we come in conclusion, then he can pay in. He pay in, then we bill it for the person.
All right, sir. So I would like us to see some of these items. Let me bring my camera closer so that you can, show us each of them and tell us what they are.
All right. Okay, fine. This LG standing fan, and this is Solitech standing fan. I'm just like showing you the kind of varieties of fan we have. You get, and this is also TBK. All of them are say standing fan, standing fan. We also have something like Astro as well. It's also a standing fan, as you can see. We also have this one, BB Pro. It's also a standing fan. Now, indeed, this one is Orbit. The Orbit is an Orbit fan being placed on top of the ceiling.
Okay.
And this is wall fan as well. This is wall. It's a wall fan. This is also a wall fan as well.
So these are just the samples, right?
Yeah,
You
this
have them
is
in your store.
yeah.
Please.
As much as the person wants it to have it.
Okay.
Yeah. And also let's go to blenders. We also have blenders, as you can see. This is rationing. This is pyramid. This is crown tech. These are the varieties of blenders we have for now.
Okay.
And we also have something like, in the terms of the fan, we also have something like M1 Big T. It's for the short blade. We also have Ox. We also have Bianco. As well, we also have Sonic products in long blades. All these ones now are short. These ones now are long. As we also have bulbs. Have bulbs as well. Both rechargeable and non-rechargeable. As you can see, we also have electrical like switches and sockets accessories. We also deal in wire as well, as you can see, and also hangers for televisions and TV, DVD shelf as well. So I think that is all for now.
Alright, sir. I can also do extension.
Yeah, as well. Also deal in extension. It depends on the kind of one the person's want.
Okay, so you say when someone wants any quantity, you are available to supply them.
Exactly. We're in Alaba International, FL 1871 Alaba International. So I don't know if to call the number is okay. We can get us in 081 39 22 9543. I repeat, 081 39 22 9543. Blessed Sonic Global Ventures in Alaba International.